Welcome guys to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to verify your domain using the DNS verification method. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, so the first thing you do is that you go to Google search or your browser and you then type in business.facebook.com. That's business.facebook.com. Then click on search. That's it over there. Click on the search. Okay, so it then loads up. Then click on the first result. That is Business Manager Overview. You then wait for it to load. It should take a second to load. Okay, so now this is your Business Manager page on Facebook. If you don't have one, you can simply register using the business.facebook.com link in the description or so. You then scroll down, look for this option known as the business settings. Click on it, then wait for it to load as well. So as it loads, it should take a second. You then land on the business settings page. That's it, this one over here. You then scroll down a little and then look for an option known as the brand safety. That's it. Then click on domains. That is underneath the brand safety. Click on domains, then click on add. Then you add your domain name. For this tutorial, I'll be adding the kojiforum.com. It's a WordPress/bloggers forum, and the link is in the description if you want to join. Okay, so as you can see, the domain has been added and it's not yet verified. There are three ways to verify a domain on Facebook: the meta tag, HTML, and DNS verification. For this video, I'll be doing the DNS verification. For the meta tag and the HTML, I've already done the videos. The link is in the description. So for the DNS, first thing I'll do is I'll copy this script. There is this script over this Facebook-domain-verification and those numbers over there. I'll copy it to clipboard. I'll then go to my browser and then search for my domain name / cPanel. So you are going to search for your own domain name / the cPanel. Then click on enter. Wait for it to load. So it's going to redirect you to your cPanel account. So you put in your username and password and then click on login. So from here on, what I'll do now is I'll scroll down and I'll then look for the section known as domains. So I'll then scroll down a little. So what I'm looking for is actually a section now. Okay, this is it over domains. Then click on the domain section, the domain option. Then lands on this page. What I'll do next is I'll click on manage. Click manage. Okay, so I'll then scroll down from here and I'll then click on modify the zones. That's that one over there. Then you then land on your zone editor. So what I'll do here, I'll then click on add record. This option then pops out. You then put in your domain name. So I'll be putting the kojiforum.com. That's my domain name. For the type, I'll put txt. Then for the record, I will paste that code I copied from Facebook. I'll paste it here and then click on add record. Okay, it has been added. To check if it has been added, what I'll do is I'll scroll down and then look for it. Then I'll then go back to Facebook. So what I'll do is from here is I'll just click on verify. It should take a second, and as you can see, it has already been verified. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.